Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can we change our age on Cash App. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If you have created your Cash App account and put the age on Cash App and age is wrong and want to change it, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open Cash App, then tap on your profile. Okay guys, because Cash App needs your actual age that is on your ID card. Okay guys, so if you want to change it, just simply have to tap on sport. Now from here you have to scroll it down. From here you have to tap on something else, or now you have to tap on cash card. Let me tell you that you don't have any option to customize or edit your age on Cash App. If you want to do it, just simply you have to contact with Cash App support team. Tap on contact support. Let me tell you that you have to tap on not about a transaction. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to send the message to Cash App support that you want to change your age, that your age is not correct because you have given your age wrong and want to change it into correct one. Okay guys, if you want to change your age, just simply you have to send the message that your current age is that one and you want to change the age to that one. Okay guys, so you have to write all of this and tell them that you want to change your age, and you have to send your ID card pics, and you have to send all the information that they want to change your age. Okay guys, so you have to provide all of the information and you can easily change your age within 48 hours. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.